What's going on, guys? Taking a look at the gold market, and what is happening here is this. At least this is what I'm seeing, is something like this. So we always had lower, then kind of up, then back to the downside again. Here again could look something like this. That being the case, simply here checking the weekly just to see what is going on here. So here kind of a triangle being formed. If we don't take this high into consideration, otherwise it would be, well, depending where you draw your line, could be here would be a breakout here again. So this line kind of not really what I like at the moment, so I'm preferring this one here, and this triangle at the moment. Here is also a possible triangle at the lowest points of these wicks, so pretty much you could here actually pick your poison, whatever it is, here or here. But we can also draw the resistance zone as well as the support lines. So this here is probably what we will see, the movement between the yellow support line and the yellow resistance line. So this would be roughly 1830, 40. If we zoom in again to the daily, so somewhere around here, 1830. So pretty much in between. So here looking for shorts, here looking for buys. This would be the same, kind of the most simple probably strategy. So the simplest way of trading would be this one. Here the 4-hour chart is this kind of this could turn out to be the notorious bearish flag, but at the same time it could mean a move to the upside. Something similar happened here, and then we moved to the upside. So here would be the reverse pattern where we go down and then up. So here would be the down and then the continuation to the downside. But either way, it doesn't really matter, because once we break out of one of the lines, we look for retest, and then with the trend here we had a big wick where we broke out but suddenly turned around. This was yesterday, and I think this was also due to the fact that the USA they are coming out with the job numbers, so this might actually have had some impact on the whole stock market. And today the numbers should be coming out, I think, in 1 or 2 hours. I'm not quite sure. Also depends where you're based in. I'm not quite sure if it's the American time or the Asian time or the European time, so you should watch out for yourself. But here again is a bit of resistance here. So at the moment here, candlestick bit red, but not really a sign that we will go down, since we are still targeting the trend line, which would also be here the highest candlestick of this small consolidation pattern. So 1 hour chart here. From now the trend looks pretty bullish. So here we could see this move. Again, the gold market often tends to start a little bit earlier than the usual market, so maybe 1 hour before we will see some bigger movement where we could suddenly jump to the upside. But at some point here along the yellow line, I would look for shorts here and then go down, or you go here on the smaller time frames and look for buys, since the volatility should kick in about an hour or so. So watch out for that, and either you look for a break here and go to the upside and take a couple of pips. So the highest, so 18.15 was the highest price today, so we could go a little bit above this, but initially looks like we will head lower. So this was the gold market.